Hi there, Cindy Johnson here with Pratt Homes, here to give you a tour of an underway St. Andrews floor plan. It is a customer-owned home that is in the process of being built. So I'll just take you for a brief tour. So this is the front door. We're in the foyer area. We've got closets. Spanning around here, we've got the office with a nice arch top to it, nice and bright, a couple windows included in that. And an archway coming in to a beautiful long vault, ending at a stunning picture window. I love this window, arch top window. Customer here chose to do some beams, so beams are under construction there. We've got a linear fireplace as well. The archway there goes into the master bedroom. And we've got a stairway going down here. Coming back, spanning over. We have the kitchen area, nice big island. That'll be granted as standard here for an island. They did some modifications here to the plan. They did a walk-in butler's pantry with cabinetry, so really a great design on that design feature that they added. And below that window will be a kitchen sink. This will be nice to bring in light and look out. Again, we've got the island here, nice and big, a lot of storage in that. Coming around, we've got the informal dining area. Lots of windows there as well. And we've got a sliding patio door that goes out to a screen porch, which is under construction right now. And look at that view. That's gorgeous. Like I say, we're at the villas at Fable Hill. We still have many lots remaining, so we're into our 6th and final phase. So the road just went in last week for it. So if you're interested, looking at lots, let me know. Back to the great room and a different view of the kitchen. And we'll walk on to the master bedroom. We've got the half bath over this way. And then coming into the master bedroom. That great backdrop view again. They did an inset ceiling there. That's an optional upgrade that they did. And coming into the master bath. Off to the left, there will be vanity cabinets with a couple of sinks, his and hers sinks, and then a walk-in shower. The archway and a window over the tub area, hard to see from here. Yeah, really pretty. And the water closet with a pocket door. Window in there as well. And a little closet here. And then we've got the master closet coming in. I apologize, for the lack of light, we don't have the lights in yet, but I think there's enough light to see. So nice, good sized closet. And we come into the laundry area, Just super convenient. A lot of our plans feature that. Laundry room area. They did a little modifying in here, so it's a little bigger than normal. But we do customize plans as to your liking, so keep that in mind as you're looking at plans. Mudroom is here. We've got a closet there, and then the door going out to the 3-car garage, which is standard. And walking around, we are back to the foyer and the front door. That's a construction door, by the way. You won't have a silver door. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour. Check back for more tours as we add more to our library. Thanks so much. Have a good day.